Good day everyone! I am Ritchie Revilla from BEd 3A and today I will present to you about my drawing, which is the computer hardware and software. I will also explain to you about what each part is, its use, and its category. Without further ado, let's get started! Now, let's focus in this part, which is the hardware. Hardware refers to the physical parts of the computer. The parts that we can see and touch. In my drawing, you will see different hardware components and I will explain them based on their uses and category. Now, let's focus to the case or system unit, this part. This is a case or system unit. It contains the main parts of the computer, such as CPU, RAM, storage, and power supplies. It belongs to the processing unit. Next, let's focus here to the monitor. This is the monitor. It displays information like text, images, and videos. It is an output device. Now, let's focus here to the keyboard. This is the keyboard. It is used for typing letters, numbers, and commands. It is also belong to the input device. Now, let's proceed to the CD drive. This is the CD drive as you can see. This is to read data from compact disk. It is an input and storage device. Now, let's proceed to the DVD drive. This is the DVD drive that contains movies or software. It is an input and storage device also. Now, let's proceed here and focus to the floppy disk drive. This is the floppy disk drive. It is used to read floppy disk for storing small data. It is an input and storage device also. Now, let's proceed to the USB ports. This is the USB ports. They connect internal devices like mouse, keyboard, and USB drive. They are input and output ports. Now, let's focus here to the power button. This is the power button, this one. This is used to turn the computer on and off. Now, let's focus here to the speaker. This is the speaker. It produces sounds such as music and voices. It is an output devices. Now, let's focus here in this part. This is the mouse. This is the mouse. It is used to point, click, and select items on the screen. This is and belongs to the input device. Now, let's focus here. This is the mouse pad. As you can see, the mouse pad, it helps to move smoothly. It is a support accessories for input device. Now, let's proceed here to the USB drive. As you can see, this is the USB drive. This is USB drive. It stores the and transfer files from one computer to another. It is also a secondary memory unit. Now, let's proceed to this part. First, this is the power supply. As you can see, it provides the power supply. It provides electricity to all computer components. It is a power unit. Now, let's proceed to this part. This is the CPU cooler. It prevents processor from overheating. It also a processing support unit. Now, let's proceed here. This is the RAM of the computer or random access memory. It temporarily stores data while the computer is running. It is belong to the primary memory unit. Now, let's focus here to the cable. These are the cables. They connect devices and transfer data or power. They are connection hardware. Also, let's proceed here to the SSD or solid state drive. It permanently stores files, software, or operating system. It is also a secondary memory unit. Also, let's proceed to this part, the scanner. This is the scanner. It converts printed documents into digital files. It is an input device. Now, let's first proceed to the web camera. As you can see, this is the web camera. It is used for video calls and online meetings. It is also an input device. Now, let's proceed to the sound card. This is a sound card. It processes sound input and output. This is belongs to the input and output device. As you can see, these all are parts of the computer hardware category. Now, let's proceed and focus to the software. As you can see, software refers to the programs and application that tell the computer what to do. Software cannot be touched, but it can be used on the screen. Now, first, YouTube. This is YouTube. YouTube is an application software. It is used for watching and uploading videos. Now, the VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player is application software. It is used to play audio and video files. Now, Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web browser. It is used to access website on the internet. Now, for the Skype. Skype is application software, which means it is used for messaging, voice calls, and video calls. Now, for the Play Store. It is the Play Store. Play Store is application software. It is used to download apps and games. Now, for databases. Databases are application software. They store and manage large amounts of information. Now, next is Ubuntu. Ubuntu is system software. It is an operating system that controls computer hardware. Now, let's proceed to the Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is an application software. It is used to create and edit documents. Now, Apple iOS or macOS. Apple macOS is system software. It is an operating system used in Apple computers. Also, for the Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is application software. It is used to create slide presentation. Lastly, the Microsoft Paint. Microsoft Paint is application software. It is used for drawing and basic image editing. For the conclusion, overall, in conclusion, hardware and software work together to make computer function properly. Hardware is a physical part, while software give instructions.